Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm just going to go over what you need to do for one of the first assignments. So after you have your robot built, I then want you to go in and we're going to create a project just so we can kind of sort of get used to dragging in the blocks, exploring a little bit, and then downloading your program. It's also going to give you a little bit of time to explore a little bit on your own if you're a little bit ahead. So you're going to open up Spike, you're going to go to a new project, word blocks, and you can even title it, signature. Make sure in word blocks, create, and then you're going to have to save it if you remember. So we go to the save button, go to this PC, your G drive, my drive, and find your robotics folder, wherever that may be, and then click save. I'm just going to save it randomly in here for us. It doesn't really matter for me. Alright, so what I want you to do, you're going to be utilizing the light blocks on the left-hand side, and you're going to create some kind of display for your robot. Now, this could be something that goes on while you are running a code. That way it's easy, you can easily identify your robot quickly. I know you have numbers on them, but this is just another way for you to kind of be able to quickly identify your robot. Also, it's a very fun, short and sweet project for you just to get acclimated to this. I kind of like to say this is similar to, like, if you ever seen like if you're on like the boardwalk and you've seen like a pixel sign. It's made up of a bunch of tiny dots. It has like words go across to where it makes images. So we're going to kind of sort of do that today. So again, using the light blocks, the purple blocks here. Really, we're going to focus on like these two blocks here. So say I grab this one in, and then under control, my last block is always going to be stop all, and then actually make it an exit program. Now this is just for this program, but at the end of every single program, pretty much that's what you should have. All right, so right now, if I were to pull this up when I run this program, your brick will turn on, make a smiley face for 2 seconds, and then stop. Now you can make these pixels in any way you want as long as it's school appropriate. So maybe you wanted to clear them, so I can clear them, or start them all. You can also dim them over here, if you can see right there. I typically keep it all the way up. So say I want to get rid of it, and my last name's Reese, so I want to make an R. That's going to be my identifier. So it could be on for 2 seconds, and then I could again go to light. I could then drag this one over. I can hit off, so it'll go on for 2 seconds, turn it off, and then it'll end the program. But you certainly could just have this block the whole time, so it'll just turn on and it'll do whatever you want. So if you want to have this go on during the entire length of your program, you can just turn it on with the pixels and it'll have whatever you have in this block until the program itself ends. But for our purposes in this program, we're just going to have it go on for a couple of seconds and then turn off. So you can either go here and make the screen black and then stop and exit, or just have your stop and exit here. All right. Really get creative with this. Try and have something cool. This could be a cool like tag for you or an easy identifier for your robot throughout the semester. You're more than welcome to change it, but this is going to be the first assignment for you. I want you to create this, come up with something kind of creative, even if you want to just have it on for like half a second and then go on to something else. Maybe you want to flash your initials. Actually, my initials are R, so I can right click, duplicate. Maybe I'll change this to a C for my middle name. And then I'll duplicate that and get rid of that. So it'll flash R, then C, then R, and then it'll stop. So you could have it do like a number, your letters of your name, whatever you kind of want to do. But this is going to be your first assignment. Again, you'll be able to find this on the Google Classroom. All right, see you in the next one.